Salutations, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the fam. Okay, so today's look is going to be inspired by the shirt that I got from Target. It's a power line shirt. And on the back, just has like cities. Because of all these colors, what do these colors remind you of? Which palette? Write it in the comment section. Which palette? So instantly, I thought about the electric palette, because it literally has all of the colors on that shirt except for black. So absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. So I'm moisturizing with Farsali 24 karat gold elixir. It says all the little gold flecks in it. So now on to brow. So I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Also taking the Anastasia Angle Brush. To make it more defined on the tail end, I'm just gonna take a black liner. So now I'm taking a small taper flat brush and my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in Glow. And I'm going to begin to conceal my eyebrows. My face with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. Mixing Bare Minerals Liquid Foundation and NYX Illuminator together, but right after I color correct. Taking NARS Creamy Concealer. Where I put the NARS concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in Sun Beige. Everything else is going to be blended out with L'Oreal's True Match in Caramel Beige. So I'm taking Urban and I'm going to begin to blend that right into my crease. Taking Savage and blending it out. This is such a dark color. Alright, I'm taking the Tarteist Pro palette and I'm just using a black eyeshadow. And I'm going to darken up that crease. Sorry, I had to switch to voiceover because my house began to get crunk. But we're going to darken up, and then next I'm taking my NYX white base small brush, and now I'm going to cut the crease. So it's quite of a long process because it's so precise. And you want to make sure everything is right. So it takes a couple tries before you get everything right. I'm putting most of the white base on my lid. So now I'm taking Thrash, and that's going to be the main color for that cut crease. hopefully to get it even. So I'm going back in with Urban and kind of smoking out with black as well. Just making it very smoky on that end. So I'm just taking a light color as my highlight under my eyebrows. And I'm taking Urban, beginning to put that right under my eye. So I'm still taking Urban and beginning to darken the beginning part of my eye. And now I'm taking the NYX glitter and putting that in my tear duct. You can get this from Target for real. I think that's exactly where I got it from too. So it's not expensive. And next I'm going to highlight my nose and the highlights of my cheeks and then blend it out. Cocoa Bling. Where would we be without Cocoa Bling? So I'm using that to set that highlighter. Absolutely love it. Off camera I had put eyeliner on my eyes, so now I'm just taking Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, so I'm taking two NYX colors. I couldn't decide on which lip color to put. So I'm just outlining my lips with purple. On the inside it's going to be that pink color. And how do you think that looks, guys? So now this is the second lip color. This is more so of a nude lip since I have such a bold eye color. And since I was going to work, I actually thought that this was better. But I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.